Hello friends, welcome back to the AIO Education channel. Today, we are going to learn this chapter in a simple or easy way so that you understand every concept clearly. So without any delay, let's begin. The chapter Bibha Chaudhary, the beam of light that lit the path for women in Indian science, introduces us to one of the most remarkable women in Indian science. Bibha Chaudhary was a true pioneer who made significant contributions to the field of physics at a time when women, especially in India, were rarely seen in scientific research. Her life story is one of perseverance, struggle, and ultimately inspiration for generations of women in science. Bibha Chaudhary was born in 1913 in Kolkata, at a time when girls and women had very few opportunities for higher education. In that era, a woman's place was often considered to be limited to the home, and education beyond the basic level was not encouraged, especially in scientific fields. But Bibha's journey was different. She was determined to pursue knowledge, and her passion for science led her to study physics, a subject that was overwhelmingly dominated by men at that time. The chapter goes on to tell us that Bibha's early years were marked by challenges, but she had an immense thirst for knowledge. Despite the social norms of her time, she pursued her education with dedication. She became one of the first women to attend the prestigious Bose Institute in Kolkata, where she started her research in high-energy particle physics. This was a field where very few women had ventured. However, Bibha's persistence and brilliance enabled her to break barriers and make valuable contributions to the scientific community. The chapter mentions how Bibha Chaudhary moved to the University of Manchester in 1945, where she worked under the guidance of Nobel laureate Patrick M.S. Blackett, one of the greatest physicists of the time. It was here that she did her groundbreaking work on cosmic rays, which earned her recognition in scientific circles. Her research on cosmic rays was so impactful that newspapers referred to her as India's new woman scientist. She has an eye for cosmic rays. This recognition was significant as it was a rare occurrence in an era when most women were not even encouraged to take up scientific careers. In 1949, after her time in Manchester, Bibha returned to India and she became the first female faculty member at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, where she worked alongside some of India's most renowned scientists, including Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Bibha's work continued to focus on cosmic rays and high-energy particles, areas in which she made lasting contributions. The chapter highlights the fact that Bibha Chaudhary's career was not easy. As a woman in a male-dominated field, she faced many obstacles. Her research and contributions were often overlooked, and she was not always given the recognition she deserved. However, despite these challenges, Bibha remained focused on her work, which laid the foundation for future discoveries in the field of particle physics. In 1950, one of the most significant moments in Bibha's career came when Erwin Schrödinger, the famous physicist, nominated her for the Nobel Prize for her work on pi mesons, a subatomic particle that she helped discover. Although she did not win the Nobel Prize, the nomination itself was a testament to her extraordinary contributions to science. It is a clear reflection of her talent and the respect she earned from the scientific community. However, despite this recognition, Bibha's name was often overshadowed by the work of her male counterparts. The chapter also brings to light how Bibha's work contributed significantly to Indian science, yet much of her life's work remained unknown to the broader public during her lifetime. Her dedication to research and her scientific achievements continued quietly, without much fanfare. Bibha's name, however, started to gain recognition posthumously. In 2019, in a significant tribute to her legacy, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) renamed a star in the Leo constellation as Bibha, symbolizing her importance to Indian science and recognizing her as a beacon of light for future generations of women in the scientific field. The renaming of the star was not just a symbolic gesture, but also a reflection of the deep respect that the global scientific community had for her. In 2020, the Government of India further honored Bibha by establishing a chair professorship in her name, ensuring that her legacy would continue to inspire future generations. Today, women scientists like Dr. Ritu Karidhal Srivastav, who played a pivotal role in ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission and Chandrayaan-2 and Chandrayaan-3, are able to make their mark in Indian science, building on the paths that pioneers like Bibha Chaudhary laid down. The chapter connects the past with the present, showing how Bibha's work helped shape the future of women in science. Modern-day female scientists no longer have to fight the same battles Bibha did, but they continue to carry her legacy forward. The chapter ends with a message about the importance of perseverance and dedication, especially for women in fields where they are often underrepresented. Bibha Chaudhary's life reminds us that recognition is not always immediate, but the impact of hard work and determination lasts for generations. She may not have received the accolades she deserved during her lifetime, but today her contributions to science are being recognized and celebrated worldwide. Bibha Chaudhary's journey is a beacon of hope and inspiration for young women who aspire to follow in her footsteps and make their own contributions to the world of science. She is a shining example of how one woman's dedication to her field can change the course of history. I hope you understood the chapter clearly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and tell me in the comments what topic you want next. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming educational videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.